This is GATE 2017 set to electrical question number 13. A three-phase voltage source inverter with ideal devices operating in 180-degree conduction mode is feeding a balanced star-connected resistive load. The DC voltage input is VDC. The peak of the fundamental component of phase voltage, that is the AC side output voltage, is being asked. Now for NPTEL reference, you can refer to lecture number 19, voltage source inverters of the NPTEL course Power Electronics by Professor G. Bhuvaneshwari, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi. Coming to the useful data, for a 180-degree conduction mode, the waveform of the output voltage, that is line to neutral voltage or phase voltage of phase A, follows this waveform. And if we do a Fourier series expansion of this periodic waveform, we see that the voltage, that it is a sum of 2 VDC by n pi into sine n omega t, where n is the harmonic order and it can take values 6k plus minus 1. So for k equal to 0, n equal to 1, that is the fundamental component. Then for k equal to 1, n equal to 5 and 7. So third harmonics is not present and all other odd harmonics is present. So now for n equal to 1, k should be put 0. And then we see for putting n equal to 1, the VA1, that is fundamental line to neutral voltage component, that is the peak value of the fundamental phase voltage, is coming out to be 2 VDC by pi. So this is the peak value of the fundamental component of phase voltage. So 2 VDC by pi is the answer. Option B is the correct option. Thank you.